Don't fall down, I rather fall up. I'm tryna get Drake down into the mall up. A lot of niggas hate now and some show love, but a nigga boss down and I'm bossed up.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fernanda, as you guys already don't know. And today I created this gorgeous ass look. And I know it's gorgeous because my mom just came in and she's like, girl, that shit looks so good. And honestly, she doesn't like some of my looks because she doesn't like me wearing color like I said before. But I am wearing red and I don't bang. This is my boyfriend's bandana and it just helps my hair move out of my face. And I do wear red a lot, but this does not mean I bang. That's just my favorite color. So yeah, and if you guys want to see how I created this gorgeous look, then just keep on watching.
Yeah, I miss you, but I got no time for that. How could you moving like you crazy? I ain't call you back. Leave me alone.
I'm gonna be using the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade right here called You're Kidding. It is a bright red. I really love this shade, and I'm gonna use a Morphe brush as well. This is a little brush, so it's gonna go right in my crease perfectly, and we're gonna be adding that red all over my crease. What I'm gonna be doing with this shade is building it up, and then I'm gonna be blending it outward. So I'm winging my red shade out because I'm going to be fully cutting my crease all the way out. So this is why I am going to be winging it out. And I'm also going to go in with my favorite blending brush, and I'm going to be blending that red shade so it doesn't look too harsh. So you just want to go in and blend it. Then I'm going to go in with the Morphe palette again, and then I'm going to go in with that shade right there. It's called Spooky, and it's a black shade, duh. And we're gonna place this right in the crease, and then we're gonna go in and blend it with a brush because you don't want it to look too harsh. And for the concealer, I'm going to be using the Glamour Flaw Concealer by Hard Candy in shade Light, and my Morphe E19 brush. And this is a lip brush, but it's like perfectly to cut my crease. I love this brush as well. Obviously, this video is not sponsored by Morphe, but Morphe is like, I love that brand. So yeah, I'm going to fully cut my crease. Go in there and set my concealer in place so it looks nice and neat and it won't transfer. And then I'm gonna go in with a black again, and I'm gonna be adding this to my eyelids, but I'm gonna leave a little bit of it open at the top, like so I could place my eyeliner. You guys will kind of see what I'm trying to say because it's kind of hard to explain and I'm not good at explaining. So yeah, I'm just gonna be adding the black to my eyelids, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of it open. I'm going to be using this white eyeliner by NYX, and where I left open, I am going to be applying this eyeliner. This is going to go right on the crease line, so I'm just going to be doing this all the way out. I'm gonna be adding some lashes, and then gonna go in with this Maybelline like gel liner, and I'm gonna place that in my waterline, and then this one is in the blackest black. Then I'm gonna go back in with the red, you're kidding, and place that in my lash line. I'm doing my face off camera, as you guys can see, I told you guys. And then I'm gonna be adding this highlighter to my face. It's called Face by the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna be adding this where I just normally would add it, like on my cheekbones, my forehead, and on my nose. I did add a little bit on my inner corner of my eyes as well, and on my cupid's bow. For the lipstick, I'm going to be using this Dose of Colors. I don't know the name of the shade, but if I do know it, I'll like put it in the screen so you guys know what shade I'm using, but I don't know what this shade is called. So I'm sorry guys. And you guys know that this lipstick is matte, so I really don't like matte lipstick, so I am going to go in with a gloss. And this gloss, my sister got it for me. I don't know if it has a name or not, but it's a Victoria's Secret lip gloss, and it looks like this. It's very pretty, and I'm just going to add a little bit of lip gloss to this because I like it to be a little bit glossy.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined.
So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it because it did take me a long time to do this. Honestly, it took me like more like 2 hours. Yeah, because the black part was like the hardest thing ever. Like seriously, like it looks really kind of easy, and in the video maybe it might look a little bit easy, but girl, it was kind of hard. Like, and if you guys do recreate this look, please me in it, please, because I want to see. And yeah, I mean, I know mine is not the best, I know I could do better, but this is what I did. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys want to follow me on my social medias, they'll be at the end of the screen, so you guys can go follow me on there, and they'll also be linked down below. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you guys next time.